In a city built on ambition, there's a place that rises above it all. High above downtown Calgary, where the sunrise ignites the skyline and the mountains command the horizon. A penthouse stands as a reminder that success isn't just earned, it's lived. Every day, a new panorama, east to west, dawn to dusk, prestige in every direction. This isn't just a residence, it's a statement, a benchmark, a throne above the city for those who play the game at a different level. Reserved for the confident, designed for the exceptional,